this is quite a common movement, and like you may have seen like basic applications, especially if you do Gyaku, is when my partner does a front kick, and I block it, and for some reason my hand's under there, but I block it anyway. And then they do a punch and I block it, and then I basically follow the Kata does. I go like that, I spin around, and then I'm trying to lock the arm in that position. Well, yeah, but the problem with that is that I did too many steps before I actually affected what's going to happen to them. And whenever you see spinning in Kata, the spin is often used in the attack. So I want to use the spin in the attack. So the way I do that is, I'll just do it from Kaki, it might be easier. The way I do it in the attack is, my left hand which comes over the top, distracts them or hits them. And as I spin around, I've already snapped the arm on their wrist. My wrist. So I don't have to mess with the arm. I don't have to like turn anything over here. It's just like, it doesn't matter what they do. They throw a punch or anything, but boom, I've already got the arm broken.